Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mike at Desk Truckster with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Our phone number and website will be linked in the description. Today's truck is a 2022 Ford E-350 Super Duty. It's a 16-foot box truck. It's got 3,386 miles. It's pretty darn new. Those tires for you. Great amount of tread. This box has been repainted. These rear tires. Of course, these are dual tires as well. Let's tread on that. There we are. Taking a look at the box here, this truck also comes with a ramp over here and a backup camera right up there, which I will demonstrate when we get to the interior. Interior of the box is in great condition. We're on the right side here. Passenger side. Try these tires over here. This vehicle has been detailed inside and out, so it's looking brand new here. Beautiful truck. Coming over to the interior here. As I mentioned earlier, this truck has been thoroughly detailed. No rips or tears on these seats. Let's head on in. Very clean interior. Alrighty, let's start her up. I'll show you that backup camera here. It'll show up right there. Car in reverse. You see that right there. We get it out of reverse here. Back into park. It's that 3,836 miles. Checking out the engine. It's a 7.3 liter V-shaped engine with a automatic transmission. All the filters and fluids have been changed. This truck is ready to go. That'll wrap it up for today's 2022 Ford E-350 Super Duty 16-foot box truck. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.